Good day, everyone. Mostly to our respected instructor, Sir Aproniano Cospero. A pleasure day to you, sir. So today, we're going to tackle about the IMDG code. So, IMDG code classification of dangerous cargo, identification based on placards and markings. So, basically, IMDG code is an international maritime dangerous goods code developed by the International Maritime Organization, or IMO. It ensures safe transport of dangerous goods by sea. So, the purpose of IMDG code is to protect life at sea, prevent marine pollution, standardized classification, packing, markings, and labeling. So, IMDG hazard classes overview. Class 1, explosive. In Class 2, we have gases. Class 3, flammable liquids. In Class 4, we have flammable solids. And in Class 5, we have oxidizing substances and organic peroxide. Class 6, toxic and infectious substance. Class 7, we have radioactive material. Class 8, we have corrosive. And lastly, we have the Class 9, miscellaneous dangerous goods.
Class 1, explosive placard. We have orange background, explosion symbol, and division number that has 1.1 to 1.6. Example, we have fireworks and ammunition. In Class 2, gases placard. We have 2.1 flammable gas, red with flame symbol. 2.2 non-flammable gas, green with gas cylinder symbol. And lastly, 2.3 toxic gas, white with skull symbols.
Class 3, flammable liquids placard, red background, flame symbol, flashpoint consideration, example, petrol, diesel, alcohol. Class 4, flammable solids placards, 4.1, red, white, stripes, flammable solids, 4.2, half white and half red. Spontaneously combustible, 4.3 blue, dangerous when met. Class 5, oxidizers in peroxides, 5.1 yellow flame over circle symbol, 5.2 red and yellow organic peroxide symbol.
Class 6, toxic and infectious, 6.1 white skull and crossbones, 6.2 white biohazard symbol. Class 7, radioactive material, yellow-white background, triple radiation symbol. Category 1 to 3 labels. Class 8, corrosives, black white background, liquid damaging hand and material symbol. Example, acid alkalis.
Class 9 miscellaneous, black white vertical stripes, various environmental hazardous substances, lithium batteries, marine pollutant mark, dead tree and fish symbol, indicates marine environmental hazard, limited quantity mark, black and white squares on point mark, indicates limited quantity packaging.